Hi there, everyone, and welcome to APT University. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at discount codes, how to configure them, how to apply them on customer orders in AdvancePro. We will be taking any questions at the end if you're watching live. So if you have any questions, put them into the questions tab on your GoToWebinar control panel as we go along, and we'll be taking them at the end. So if you'd like to learn more about AdvancePro, we do have a full listing of all of our previous episodes on AdvanceProTech.com under Resources or on our YouTube channel. Now, discount codes essentially allow you to assign a given discount on the fly to any customer as you process the sales. You just enter the code and it'll adjust pricing based on the rules that you set. Now, if you want, you can also print these codes out as barcodes so that you can scan like a coupon code and apply the discount. We're going to jump into AdvancePro and take a look about how to set this up. So we're going to come into the Customers tab, and along the right-hand side, we're going to come down to View All Order Promotions. So this is where we can manage our discount codes, and you'll see I set one up called Discount. It discounts the order by 10%, and it's not stackable, it's not taxable. We'll get into what those mean. And it has a date range. Okay, so let's set up a new one. We're going to call this one Seniors Discount. Okay, seniors are going to get a 20% discount, and they can use it. You can actually limit the number of uses total across all customers. So you could say, the first 15 people through the door get this discount. Or you could say limit it to a number of uses per customer. So you could say 1 per customer. Each customer just gets to use this discount code on 1 order, and then it's done. Now, you can choose what QuickBooks account, if you're syncing with QuickBooks, this discount amount is going to draw from. We can set when this is going to expire. So in this case, it starts November 29th, and it's going to expire on December 30th. If you want something to go on forever and ever, you can just go way out into the future. You could go out to the year 3000 if you wanted, and then it would just never expire. Now we have is stackable and is taxable. So whether or not the discount it represents a taxable amount or not, or whether or not it will stack with other discounts and other pricing that may be occurring. That's what is stackable is for. Now you'll see over here what we can actually do is we can search for items that we exclude from this promotion. So we could say that seniors get 20% off of every item except, and we'll go and do a search, except this pipe, or except this computer. Seniors do not get a discount on that computer, and we can set an exception. Okay, so that's one way we can do that. We would just hit add to create that exception rule. Okay, so that's how we can exclude things from our promotions. I'm going to add our promotion code, and just like everywhere else in AdvancePro, if we ever want to edit an existing price code, promotion code, we can come to this screen and we can click the E button, and that's going to bring everything back up to the top, and we can make our changes, and then we'll update that promotion code. If we want to get rid of a promotion code, of course, we can click the garbage can button to delete it. So now that we've created our promotion code, let's head over to a customer order and we'll apply it. So we're going to come to a new order, and I'm going to choose just a random customer that I have. We'll do customer 5, and we'll go ahead and proceed. We'll get an item on the order. So if you're using AdvancePro to manage like a checkout, you can go and actually scan the items as they're coming across, and it'll enter directly into this field, and it'll put them on your order. Okay. Now, to enter your discount codes are entered down here in the lower left where it says enter discount. So I'm going to enter senior. Okay, let's just double check, but I believe that went and applied our pricing. So that went and took 20% off. That looks about right. $22.81 to $180.65. Okay. So let's just run through that again if we want. So we can go through a new order. We'll just choose our customer, and we'll set up our order. We'll add the item. There it is at the original price. You see right now the price they're going to get matches the original price. and we just put in that code, seniors, and now it's adjusted our price down. So we can actually have almost a whole pricing rule that's disconnected from our customer. If we want to automatically apply pricing to our customers, I recommend taking a look at our other pricing videos. So you can actually create an across-the-board, what we call a second level price, which allows you to say for every for a given customer, or for every customer in a group, they will receive a certain discount on your selling price, or a certain markup on cost. So we can create those as well, and that way you wouldn't have to enter the code. The discount would be automatically applied. As a quick reference, you can do that from the customer profile under View Customers. If you go to Edit that customer, you can create that rule right in under Additional Info. You can apply a fixed markup or a fixed discount. You just put in your percentage, and that will apply across all products. We can also do that across a specific category of products from our Global Pricing Manager. That's found under the Products tab. So Global Pricing Manager, and it's the Global Pricing Options and Promotions. We can choose a customer group and a category of product, and then we can create a markup or discount just on that category of product. That would be a third level price. So that just gives you some idea about discount codes and some of the related pricing features if you don't want to use a discount code, but you do want those pricing rules. So this concludes our tour of discount codes today. If you do have any questions, do feel free to put them in the Questions tab of your GoToWebinar panel, and we'll be answering them in just a moment. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and oh, we do have a question. Let's just take a look. So what if you don't want to limit the discount, i.e. customer will receive the discount as long as they are our customer, or we want to apply a discount in certain items no matter who purchases? So if you want to, let's just see, if you don't want to limit the discount, so the customer will receive the discount as long as they're your customer, in this sort of a situation, I would recommend creating that across-the-board price. So you may want to take a look at our other pricing videos on our YouTube channel. There's certainly that method that I showed where you can go into that customer or into the Global Pricing Manager and create something across the board. Now, if you want to apply a discount on certain items, no matter who purchases, there's a few ways you could do that. So if you wanted to create a price sort of across the board, there is actually like special pricing promotions in the item as well. So if we go to View Product and we edit the product, we can go to Customer Promotions, and we can create a promotion. So this is actually what we call a fifth level pricing. And what this allows you to do is set for all customers, for example, we'll just go select all, a pricing range. We can use this as a code as well. We can also just go ahead and put in a fixed discount. So everybody that we've selected is going to get a 20% discount. And we can set an expiry date for this as well. So this kind of pairs with our other discount codes. The difference here is we don't have to put a code. We can actually just directly assign that to a customer for a given period of time. So I hope that answers your questions. If you have any others, do feel free to put them into the Questions tab on the GoToWebinar panel. Otherwise, you can email us directly or contact AdvancePro support. All right. Seeing no further questions, thank you all for watching, and have a great day.